here we have one more part, yeah, where I think a few questions might be left in the other part, so that we have combined here. So let us begin. Hope you all are doing good, and we are going to discuss PYQ 2023 part 11, and the paper code is E1. Match list 1 and list 2. Mast cells, inner surface of bronchiole, blood, tubular parts of nephron. List 2, ciliated epithelium, areolar connective tissue, cuboidal epithelium, specialized connective tissue. Choose the correct answer from the options below. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. All right, so the answer is mast cells are found in the areolar connective tissue. Yes, you're learning from grade 9. And the inner surface of bronchioles aligned with ciliated epithelium, ciliated columnar, right? And blood is specialized connective tissue, the tubular parts of nephrons, cuboidal epithelium. All this you have learned in grade 9 tissues itself. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of cockroach regarding sexual dimorphism? Dark brown body color and anal cerci, presence of anal styles, presence of sclerites, presence of anal cerci. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Okay, here goes the answer. Presence of anal styles. Sexual dimorphism in cockroaches refers to the physical differences between male and female. One key characteristic feature is in male cockroach, the presence of anal styles, which are small unsegmented appendages found near the posterior end. These are absent in female and help in distinguishing the sexes. Therefore, option B is the right answer. Which one of the following is the sequence on corresponding coding strand? Okay, if the sequence of the mRNA formed is as follows. Okay, 5 to 3 So you have to find the coding strand. Okay, your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Yeah, the answer is option C. So children, you have to know one thing. To find the coding strand sequence from the given mRNA sequence, we need to remember mRNA is complementary to template strand and identical to the coding strand. Only thing is, except RNA has uracil instead of thymine. That's all, right? So the exact sequence where all the uracils have to be replaced by thymine is what you have to find. Okay, so the answer is option C. Next one. In cockroach, excretion is brought by phallic gland, uricose gland, nephrocytes, fat body, collateral glands. Choose the correct option. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. The answer is B, C and D only. In cockroaches, excretion is primarily carried out by uricose glands, nephrocytes in the fat body. The uricose glands help in removing nitrogenous waste, while the nephrocytes function similarly to the kidneys by filtering the waste from the hemolymph. And the fat body, if you see, it plays a role in storage and detoxification of waste material, right? Whereas if you see the phallic and collateral, they are involved in reproduction, yeah, and not in excretion. Next one. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, G0 phase, the quiescent phase of the cell cycle where the cell is metabolically inactive. Statement 2, the centrosome undergoes duplication during S phase of the interphase. Choose the right option. Both the statements are correct, both the statements are wrong. Statement 1 correct, statement 2 wrong, statement 2 wrong, statement 2, statement 1 wrong, statement 2 correct. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Come on kiddos, you can do it. And the answer is option D. Statement 1 is incorrect. So, the G0 phase, the cell exits the cell cycle, but it remains metabolically active. Just that it simply does not divide, but it is metabolically active. Statement 2 is correct, as centrosome duplication takes place during the S phase of the interphase alongside the DNA replication. Which one of the following is not an advantage of inbreeding? It decreases homozygosity. It exposes harmful recessive genes but are eliminated by selection. Elimination of less desired genes and accumulation of superior genes takes place due to it. It decreases the productivity of inbred population after continuous inbreeding. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Alright, option D is the right answer. It decreases the productivity of the inbred population after continuous inbreeding. So that is not an advantage of inbreeding, right? In inbreeding, the plausible is very closely related to individuals are mated to achieve homozygosity of desired traits. Yes, that's true. It actually increases homozygosity, not decreases. It also exposes harmful recessive gene which can be eliminated through selection and helps in accumulation of superior genes by removing less desirable ones. But however, continuous inbreeding can lead to inbreeding depression, which decreases the productivity in overall population, right? So option D, it decreases the productivity of inbreed population after continuous is not an advantage, okay? Which of the following statements are correct? An excessive loss of body fluid from the body switches of osmoreceptors. ADH facilitates water reabsorption to prevent diuresis. ANF causes vasodilation. ADH causes increase in blood pressure. ADH is responsible for decreasing in GFR. What do you think? Correct statements. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Okay, and the answer is B, C and D are the correct statements, right? So if you see, statement A is incorrect because excessive loss of body fluids activates osmoreceptors, not deactivates. Statement B is correct. ADH, antidiuretic hormone, it helps in water reabsorption, therefore reducing the urine output. It is antidiuretic, right? It prevents diuresis, that is more water outlet. Statement C, if you see ANF, atrial natriuretic factor, promotes vasodilation, which is also true. Statement D is correct because ADS, yes, it will increase the blood pressure by promoting water retention and causing vasoconstriction. Statement D is incorrect because it does not decrease the glomerular filtration rate. It mainly affects water reabsorption only. So B, C, D only is the right option. Okay, next question. Which of the following statements are correct regarding skeletal muscle? Muscle bundles are held together by collagenous connective tissue layer called fascicle. Sarcoplasmic reticulum of the muscle fiber is the storehouse of calcium ions. Striated appearance of the skeletal muscle fiber is due to the distribution pattern of actin and myosin proteins. M line is considered as a functional unit of contraction called sacromere. A, B and C only, B and C only, A, C and D only, C and D only. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. And the answer is B and C only are correct regarding the skeletal muscle. Why are the other ones incorrect? Statement A, if you see, the fascicle refers to bundle of muscle fibers, but the connective tissue holding these bundles is called perimysium, not fascicle itself. And D is incorrect because M line is the middle of the sacromere, not the sacromere itself. The sacromere is the functional unit of contraction and extends from one Z line to the next. The last and the final question for the day, which of the following statements are correct? Basophils are most abundant cells of the total WBCs. Basophils secrete histamine, serotonin and heparin. Basophils are involved in inflammatory response. Basophils have kidney-shaped nucleus. Basophils are agranulocytes. Choose the right option. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Yes. So B and C only, right? They are the correct statement. Basophils secrete histamine, serotonin, heparin, and they are involved in inflammatory response. Why are the other statements incorrect? A is incorrect because basophils are least abundant of the WBCs. Likewise, option D, if you see, basophils have lobed nucleus, not kidney shape. And E is also incorrect because they are granulocytes, not agranulocytes. Okay. With that, we are completing the last part of 2023 paper discussion. And please do comment on the comment box which year paper can we discuss next. All the very best for your exams. If these PYQs were useful for you, do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.